Hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. Just have a little cleaning business software tip to pass along to you. There was an author, businessman, several years ago. He wrote a book. His name was Harvey Mackay, and he wrote several books. In one of them, he talked about the importance of capturing little bits of information about your prospect or your customer that you learn as you begin to visit with them. So as you talk to them or you see pictures in their room or things they talk about, and you learn that maybe their kids are really into soccer or tennis or something, that you might find that their hobby, the actual prospect or the customer, their hobby is maybe fishing. They like to go out on the lake and go to fish for to bass or walleye, whatever it might be. So the tip is this: don't rely just on your memory about this. Go into your car, go at your desk in your office, and enter into your cleaning business software. You possibly have a little CRM portion that you could put in the note field information about that gentleman or that lady and what they like, their hobbies, their family, things that they're interested in. The thing that's valuable about this is the next time that you go to see them, so it's the prospect, let's say you're delivering an extra bid for some additional things that they asked for as part of the proposal. When you go in, you'll be able to say, you know, I remember you mentioned that the kid, one of your children was graduating from high school and was thinking about college. Did they ever decide where they wanted to go? For your customer, you might learn when you're dropping off an inspection. Before you go in, you go, look at that, I made a note in the CRM here that they enjoyed taking the boat out on the lake. And so before you get started on it, you might visit for just a couple minutes and ask them, did they get a chance over the weekend to go out on the lake? Seems like a small thing, and it can be, but it can go a long way in helping the rapport that you have with that person. You know, we don't want to just be a business robot, nor does the customer just want us to be a business robot. They want to get to know us on some real level, a little bit on a personal level, know who they're dealing with, who they're talking to. It can make the whole thing go better as they're doing business with you and getting to know you. So to have a little bit of information, topics to talk about where you know some information, boy, you just feel so much more confident when you go in to have those conversations and chat a little bit before you get down to business. I hope that helps. Until next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.